Good morning children. Welcome back to the science class. Today we are going to start with a new lesson number 8, safety first. Children, I want you all to take out your living science textbook. We are going to do reading. I will explain you the chapter and we are also going to do writing from that chapter. Okay? This is your living science textbook. All of you please take out your living science textbook, children. Lesson number 8, safety rules. Today's date is 11th February 2021 and you please take out page number 55. Okay? And be ready with your pencil and eraser. This is your chapter number 8, safety first. Now, let me take out my pointer first so that I can show you where I am reading. Okay? Just a minute, children. See, safety first. Okay? Now, over here, you have to write your house. What is the name of your house? Then you have to write what is the name and number, phone number of your school if you have, and phone number of your doctor. Your mama or daddy's mobile number here, your phone number of your school, and your phone number of your doctor. Okay? This is all for our safety, for the protection. Now I am reading the poem. We have already read it. Again I am repeating. Okay? Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean wait till the light is green. Green light, what do you say? I say go right away. Now these are the lights which you will see on the road. Yes, see this traffic signal? And it is talking about the rules. That when there is red light, you have to stop your vehicle. When the yellow light is glowing, then you have to start your vehicle. You have to wait, okay? And when the green light is on, you can go. Okay, children? Now we are moving to page number 56. Okay. I'll be a little fast because I've already explained everything to you. Always follow safety rules. Now, sometimes we get hurt while running or playing. If you get hurt, tell your teachers or parents. They will take you to the doctor if needed. The doctor will help you. To be safe, we must follow safety rules. Now, children, if you are getting hurt at the school, you have to inform your teachers. If you are getting hurt at your home, you have to inform your parents. They will take you to the doctor and doctor will give you treatment. Okay. Now next is, can you see this girl? What is she doing? Yes, she is walking on the footpath. Children, F-O-O-T-P-A-T-H, footpath. And always remember, when you are walking on the road, don't walk on the road, walk on the side of the road. And the side of the road is called the footpath. Here see what it is written. Do not run on the road. Always use the footpath for walking. If there is no footpath, walk on the safe side of the road. Okay, children? Now I will be taking the next part of page number 56. There are 2 more paragraphs. I will be reading and explaining you. See the 3rd paragraph. Be safe when you cross the road. How you are crossing? Like, see, these 2 children are crossing through the zebra crossing and there is one traffic signal also here. Now, children, you will ask me, ma'am, everywhere there is not a zebra crossing. So, how do I cross the road where there is no zebra crossing? So, the answer is, while there is no zebra crossing, you have to stop. Then, you have to look to your right, look to your left, again look to your right. When the traffic is clear, then you are supposed to slowly cross the road. Another thing, you will never cross the road alone. Always you have to have your elder with you. Maybe your dad, your mom, or your elder brother or sister. Okay? Or anybody else who you know and is elder to you. Because you all are small, you still don't know how to cross a road, right? So you must be with an elderly person. Okay? Wait for the traffic to stop. First look to your right, then to your left. Finally look to your right again. Cross the road when it is clear. Watch out for traffic signals. Now the next line is, be careful on a rainy day. Rainy day is the day, children, when it is rainfall. The rain is falling from the sky. There is so much of water that is spread on the road. At that time, if you are trying to run on the road, then you might slip because the roads can be very, very slippery. Okay? I hope you have understood this. Now we will move to the next paragraph. Now as you can see in this picture, these people are standing in a queue. A line is also called a queue. Okay? And you can see this is a bus stop. And yes, they are waiting for the bus. Wait for the bus in a line. Let the bus stop. Then get in one by one. You can't rush, children. You have to wait. When the bus is stopping, you can climb up to the bus one by one. When you want to get off, wait for the bus to stop. Get off means get down the bus. You can't get down of a moving bus. You have to wait for the bus to stop. Then only you can get down. Now next, there are a few more lines about how to travel by bus, and it is in page number 56. So let's go to page number 56. Yes, see. Do not lean out of the window of a bus. What does this sentence mean? You can't kick out your hand or your face out of the bus. It is not safe. You might get hurt. Okay? You can get hurt. Do not throw things out of a moving bus because people are walking downstairs and they can get hurt by what are the things that you are throwing. Okay? Next paragraph. On the same page, of course, page number 57. Here, see, this girl is trying to light the candle. Don't ever play with fire. He is trying to cut something with a knife. Don't try this, children. It is very dangerous because the sharp things might hurt you, injure you. And see, this girl is putting something in the electric socket. This is also not safe. You are not supposed to play with sharp objects, fire and electrical gadgets. They can hurt you. Be careful. And here what it is written, you have to play in a safe place. You can't play on the road. Do not run on the road. Do not play on the road. If you want to play, you play in a park or a playground. Okay? And you are not supposed to tease any animals. You are seeing the cat and dog and you get very happy. Wow! And you go and try to pull its legs. You go and try to pull its tail. You go and try to pull its ears. It will get ferocious and it will bite you. So never try to tease the animal because you don't know how they will react. And another thing, it is not good to harass animals because they are not doing anything to you. You have to be kind to them. You have to be loving to them. Okay? And another thing, do not pluck flowers or leaves because they are also living things. They also get hurt. So don't pluck the flowers. Let them be on the plant. Do not pluck the leaves from the plant. Okay, children? Now we move on to page number 58. Yes. Here they are telling us how to do swimming in the swimming pool. There are a few rules that you have to follow in the swimming pool also. Go with an adult for swimming. Okay, with somebody who is bigger than you for swimming. If you cannot swim well, use a swimming tube. If you are not able to swim, then you are using a swimming tube. Okay, do not go into deep water. You have to do swimming on shallow water. Don't go very, very deep. Okay, children, so these were the safety rules. Always walk on the footpath. Do not get off or on a moving bus. Do not lean out of a moving bus. Play in a playground or a safe place. Do not play on the road. Keep away from fire, sharp objects and electrical gadgets. Okay, now circle the words. Now children, take out your pencil and eraser. We are going to do this exercise. We have to circle the correct answer. Always walk on the road or footpath. Yes, footpath. Very good. Second, cross the road at the zebra crossing or turning. Crossing. So first word is footpath. Circle this word. Second is crossing. Circle this word. Okay, done. Now move to page number 59. Third, it is safe to play with toys or fire. Yes, always toys. Circle the word toys. Okay. Number 4, play in the kitchen or playground. Playground. Very good. Please circle the word playground. Here toys and here playground. Now see, I have already written. I will be reading the spelling. Fill in the blanks. Cross a road at a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Write down. Zebra crossing. If you can't write now, it's okay. You can write nicely afterwards. You can always look at the video and do it nicely. Second, do not play with dash objects. S-H-A-R-P. Sharp objects. You have to write the word sharp. Always walk on the footpath. Write the word footpath. See, this girl is walking on the footpath. Can you see? Yes. Do not play with E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-A-L. Electrical gadgets. See, all these electrical gadgets. No. Never play. Okay. Now you write these nicely. Now let's go to page. We are in the same. We write the question answers. What should we do if we get hurt? See, the answer is, if we get hurt, we must inform our teachers or parents. Write down. You can write later on. Look at the video nicely and write down with a good handwriting. Second answer. Why must we be careful on a rainy day? We must be careful of slippery roads on a rainy day. We must be careful of slippery roads on a rainy day. You have to start the answer with B because we must is already written for you over here. Number 3, what should we do if we cannot swim well? If we cannot swim well, we must use a swimming tube. Okay? You can write the answer later on. Now, same page, fill in the blank. What? You must stop when you see. I am the, yes, R-E-D, red. Write down R-E-D, red light. We must wait when you see. I am the, very good, yellow light. You can go when you see me. I am the green light. Red, yellow, green. Please write it down nicely. You can write it later on. Now you just look at the video. And again you on the video when you are free and write it at your own leisure. Next page. You must walk on me. I am the zebra crossing. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. And if you cannot swim, use me. Do not go into deep water. I am a, yes, swimming tube. S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. Swimming tube. Yes or no? We must push each other on the stairs. No. We must play in the park. Yes. Write down no, then yes. This is no, this is yes. Third is, everyone must drink from one glass. No. We must run on the road. No. Hold an elder's hand while crossing a road. Yes. So, no, yes, no, no, yes. Okay? Thank you, children. Please take care of yourself. Bye-bye.